Now let us work out the question number 15. What it says, according to this, in a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read the newspaper H, 26 read newspaper T, and 26 reads newspaper I, 9 read both H and I, 11 read both H and T, and 8 both T and I, and 3 read all 3 newspapers. Is not it? So we have to find the number of people who read at least one of the newspapers. That means people who read newspapers we have to find here in this 60 people, right? The number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Here these people, 3 read all 3. Means there are 3 persons who read all the newspapers. There are some persons who read only 2 papers, and some people are there who reads only one newspaper. Then how many people read only one newspaper? That is to be found out actually. Okay. So for that, let us understand through Venn diagram. Okay. First, this is suppose the people who read newspaper H, some people who reads paper T, and the third paper is I. I think these people are representing who reads all the 3 papers. This is 3 persons are here, isn't it? And here in this part, people who read H and T, isn't it? H and the T. See, H and T. How many people? 11. 11 means 3 people is to be considered here, is included here. So rest 8 persons will be here. These 8 persons read these 2 papers, isn't it? Next, T and I. T and I. These 8 people. 3, so it is 5. Then next, H and I. H and I, 9 people. Here it is 6. Now, people who read paper H, how many people are here? Newspaper H, 25. So 8 plus 3, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 8, 25. These are the persons who read paper H. Means 25 people. 14, 17, 8, 25. Got it? Now paper T. Again 26 read newspaper T. There 8 is 16 and 26, 16. This is 10, I think. I, newspaper I, this one. 26 people read newspaper I. Then 6, 5, 11, 3, 14. I think this is 12. So these persons read only one paper named H. And now here these 10 people read paper T. And these 12 people only one paper who read I. Great. So how many people read exactly one newspaper? Sum of these 3. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 people read exactly one newspaper. Through Venn diagram we can solve this problem so easily. When we go for answering multiple choice questions, then we can take this method. Let H, I, T, 3 sets I have considered. H, people who read newspaper H. Let H, people who read newspaper H. I, people who read newspaper I. T, people who read newspaper T. So these 3 sets I considered, and then what is given? Number of people in this set H, means people who read newspaper H. How many was there? H, that is 25. You can write here. Then and I you write I, people who read paper I, that is 26, and T 26, isn't it? This T is, and then H intersection T and T intersection I, and the TI, I intersection H, means H and I. Now let us find out them. H intersection T, H and T, H and T, 11. T and I, T and I, this, 8. I and H, how many? 9. Okay. Then all the 3, H intersection T intersection I is equal to 3. This is our given information. With this information, we have to find out the number of people who read at least one of the newspapers. That means we have to find union of these 3 sets, right? Now let us find out number of elements in the union of these 3 sets. That is NH union I union T. Number of elements in these 3 sets is equal to NH plus NI plus NT minus NH intersection T intersection I intersection T. Just substitute their respective values. NH, this is 25, NI 26, and T 26 minus intersection, this is 11, this is 8, then 9, this one, 10 plus 3, just simplify it, 77 minus 28 plus 3, then 77 plus 3, 80 minus 28, this will be 10 minus 8, 2, 7 minus 2, 5. 52 is the number of people who read at least one newspaper. Right. Now we have to find who read exactly one newspaper. Okay. For the next part, let's take the help of Venn diagram. Okay. How? That will be easier actually. This is H, T, and the third part is I. Okay. Okay. Now we will not assign the numbers. Okay. Say this is A, B, C, D. Okay. Then E, F, Z. So E plus F plus Z is our actually required answer. Number of people who read exactly one newspaper, is not it? So from the union, means 52 people, we have to subtract what? A, B, C, D. Then we will get this E plus F plus Z, is not it? Now H intersection, T intersection I. In this part we have B and B. So B is equal to 3. So from there onwards we can find out value of A, D and C. Okay, A is what? See, intersection H and T has 11 people. So this part already 3, and A will be 8 only. Have you understood? So for C we will get 6 people, and similarly for D, this T and I 8. 3 is, if you subtract 3, then you will get 5. Fine. Now we need people who read exactly one newspaper, equal to N of H union T union I minus A plus B plus C plus D, isn't it? This is already we have got 52. then A plus B plus C plus D. 8, B is 3, C is 6, D is 5. Now you subtract this. 11, 17, 5, 22. So 30. Already we have got it in our previous diagram, is not it? So this is how we can find out our required answers. Okay.